Why is your mom outside? Yeah?
I wanted to grab some Fruit Loops, but I can't do it.
No, I didn't see anything. She was.
Are you being a pterodactyl?
She
a
was.
tiny pterodactyl? You're not gonna get angry, are you?
She was being happy.
Was she? Good. She's trying to shove her blanket in her mouth. She loves the silky part. She tries to eat it.
Ooh.
Oh.